groups. It's a really fun bonding experience for the team, you know, to travel away from just the regular wheeling area. You know, we usually go to Park and JM, but it's kind of fun to, you know, go down to places like St. Joe's where we get to compete against teams we don't normally get to see. So it's really a fun experience, and I just really enjoy those times.
Probably the time I got a 190.
My favorite memory for robotics this year was probably the Gateway to the West tournament. Enjoy high school and seize every opportunity, because after you graduate, you're probably not going to have those again.
I would say get involved in as much as possible so that you're not like, don't put things off like, oh, I'll do that next year. Just join any clubs and sports while you can, so you can meet like as many people as possible.